Shaka on the beats, 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 Shaka on the beats.
What is really good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 back with another video. I wanted to recap what I experienced a few days ago. I was able to get something that I wanted for a very long time. As you know, some of my parts on my Dodge Charger, I ordered from a company called Vicrez, and I ordered their wide body kit. I got the rear spoiler, carbon fiber steering wheel, and front splitter. Communicated back and forth on Instagram, and they invited me out to showcase my vehicle. They got up with Motorhead Garage, which is a show on the Discovery Channel, and Vicrez was like reviewing their products, you know, with their wheels, exhaust, all of that, and they actually invited me out for a live filming for that show. So I went out to Bristol, Tennessee. I linked up with Vicrez, the owner of Vicrez, and we had a good time, man. Had a really good time. That was my first time ever being on like a TV set, per se, inside the garage. It was awesome. I got to hang out with the owner, Ben, with Vicrez, and like I said, we had a good time. And sure enough, without being said, Vicrez gave me a full sponsorship. And with that full sponsorship, they actually installed their Catback Exhaust on old Megatron. I don't have Megatron today, so I'll get to why I don't have Megatron. But yeah, Vicrez put their Catback Exhaust that looks, you know, it looks just like a boiler attack on Megatron, and it sounds good. I'm gonna play a clip of how it sounds. That was really good. The phone, of course, you know, the phone doesn't really do it any justice, man, but it turned out really good. And then my brother from another B5 Punisher out of Kentucky, he was able to come out also, and right on the spot, Vicrez installed a carbon fiber flat bottom custom steering wheel that went perfect with his car theme. And I'll post a picture of his car right here. Go follow him on IG. So something else Vicrez gave me. I got the parts right here. Vicrez also hooked me up with their rear diffuser, man, carbon fiber. And they also gave me a carbon fiber spoiler. So Vicrez hooked me up, man. And once again, big shouts out to Ben and everybody with Vicrez and the crew I kicked it with that day. Had a great time. They showed us love, man. And like I said, they installed a freaking, also they gave me tips. They put the Vicrez 5-inch tips on the rear in black. Looks really good. I used to have the carbon exhaust tips. I got rid of those, and it sounds amazing. I'm gonna talk to Vicrez and see if, I'm gonna talk to them to see if I can get it on my Hellcat Durango also. That's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted you to give you guys an update that I linked up with Vicrez, got a full sponsorship with them, and man, we're gonna see how far we're gonna go with this thing, man. They looked out for me. I'm gonna try to, I hope I can get one for the Hellcat Durango. That I think it would make it sound crazy, because my scat sounds crazy right now. Let me ask you guys something. So, you know, I got the illuminated wicker bill from Fasty's Garage. I don't want to lose it. So let me know in the comments if you think I should drill holes in the spoiler and install the illuminated wicker bill on a carbon fiber spoiler. I was on the fence about that. Let me know in the comments if I should do that or not. But other than that, like I said, the filming with Vicrez, the episode is gonna air on the Discovery Channel. I'll try to keep you guys up to date or in the loop when that episode drops. But I appreciate everyone for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the bell notification. I'm gonna try to drop some more videos. But until then, catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace.